Hey guys, it's Brie. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 different ways you can make money.
I need a dollar, that's what I need. I wanna be a billionaire.
Think what that money could bring. I bought everything.
Give me money.
Now I ain't saying she a gold digger,
I'm in need.
but she ain't messing with no broke.
Give me money.
Now I ain't saying.
Keep it up for me. The CEO. Oh. How the money comes in, the parade comes to town. Going down Broadway is a one-way street.
Number 1, the first way you can make money is by babysitting. Maybe if you're a teenager and you have a car, you can run kids from their practice to practice if their parents are busy and working, or at night, just to kind of make like a couple bucks here and there. It's especially fun if you have like a good family you're babysitting for, or a good group of kids. It always makes it more entertaining. Another way you can make money is by being a tutor. For instance, if you are smarter and you get really good grades and you are great in school and you have a specific subject that you're very good in, then you can offer kids to tutor them or maybe help them with ACT and SAT study, because I know that is super popular. Going off of tutoring, you can also, if you're athletic, maybe give private lessons. I know that when I was in 7th grade, I wanted to try out for the 8th grade lacrosse team, and I had absolutely no idea how to play lacrosse. So I had my math tutor from 6th grade, she was a senior in high school, I had her give me private lessons for lacrosse. So you can also do that if you're an athlete and you play a sport and you want to help someone younger who doesn't know how to play, and that's also kind of falls under the tutoring category of making money. The third way you can make money is by starting your own business. So I know my brother a couple years ago when he was in middle school had like his own car wash company called Gullwing Detail. Washing other people's cars, that's another business you can start. Or if you're into beauty and hair and makeup, I know I have one friend who does that and a cousin, and you can easily charge people to do prom, hair and makeup, homecoming, or like even dinners, special events. You can market yourself on Instagram, like make your own Instagram page and post pictures of girls' makeup that you do or hair, and you can literally kind of create your own business right on Instagram, right online, and you're doing something you love. The fourth way you can make money is by selling your own clothes. And there are plenty of apps out there to sell your clothes online. I personally use Poshmark. Maybe you got a specific dress for one occasion and you literally only wore it then, and now you have nowhere else to wear it. Someone else might want that, so you can put that online and sell it. Just make sure it's in good condition. And like if you have just things in your closet that you've grown out of and you haven't worn a lot, selling your clothes online is a perfect way to make some money, because other people will want your clothes even though you don't want them anymore. The fifth way you can make money is by finding a local job. So I know I have my one friend Tiara who is a lifeguard. You can also work at a coffee shop or ice cream parlor, I know that's super popular, or a pizza place. I have my one friend who's a pizza delivery guy, and you get tips off that. Last summer I worked at my local boutique, it's called Treasure Lane, and what I did for them was the social media marketing, just kind of market everything for the store. And it's important, especially now, to be on social media if you are a store. So if you girls out there know of any local boutiques, you can totally reach out to them and say, I would love to manage your social media pages. The sixth way you can make money is by sharing your knowledge. So let me break this down a little bit for you. Take social media for example. Maybe you have parents that are always like, oh, Susie, how do I set up my Instagram account? And you're like, oh, how do they not know this? Like, come on. But like, they look at you and think like, here's this teenage girl or guy that has all this knowledge about Instagram. They want to learn about it too. So you could always like maybe get a group of them together and say, hey, I'm gonna charge you X amount of money and I'll show you everything you need to know about Instagram, about Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter. The seventh idea I have for you guys to make money is to make a haunted house. I know, Halloween is only in October, I get it, but it's still fun and it's still a way to make money. I have my boyfriend, Luke, puts on a haunted house every single year in his grandparents' backyard, and you can charge people to go through it. You know, if you want to get all your friends together, which is what he does, everybody dresses up in scary costumes and they kind of decorate the backyard. Take a few pictures of the haunted house, maybe throw up a video, put some Facebook ads out there, and charge the locals to come through your haunted house. Those are the 7 ways I think you guys can make money. You have to find something you love and basically just figure out a way to make a profit off of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I tried to put these glasses on because I felt smart while I was explaining my tips. Anywho, Dinkle, that's it for today's video. My new posting schedule, every Monday, every Thursday, get this, at 1:01 p.m. Why did I not think about that as soon as I made my username? You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? So be on the lookout. Hit me up on Instagram. I just did a photo shoot actually with my friends, so got a bunch of pictures on the way. Hey. All right, so I will see you guys on Thursday at 1:01 p.m. Bye. Oh my gosh. My literal seat is wet because I'm sweating that much. Ooh. Let me just see what I have here. I'm gonna mess up my hair. Did you get it? That's disgusting. Boom. No, they're not real. Okay, just... Hey, you. Don't exit this video yet. Girl, no. No. Right over here, you can click subscribe. Right over there, you can watch my last video. Thanks for watching.